Okay guys, for today's video, I'm here again. So, my husband ordered this for me. This one is good for the garden. Let's unboxing this one guys. So, it says we got eight. Okay, so this one is good for all the snakes, the mulch or something like that. So, we'll try. So, this one is solar. Okay, it's made by Solar, this one guys. I got this one from last year. I show you. I got over here. So this one guys is from last year. I got this one. But it's broke already. Yeah, something is broken in here as you can see. So I can put this outside. This one is totally covered because it comes to rain guys. The rain just go inside the water. Okay, so let's continue. Hi, Peanut. So let's continue, guys. So now let's open this one, and then we try one of this one outside because they got sun. No, so let's do it. Let's open this first. So I bought this from where's this, Nick? Where's this? Amazon?
Amazon. Hey, honey.
Okay guys, so let's continue again. So this one, my husband bought this from Amazon. You can buy this one also. It's a 8, but I don't know how much is cost this one. So let's open. I'm still opening this one in here, guys. Okay. Oh my god. More open. Hi, Peanut. Okay, so you. Charing. Let's open it. Charing. Open. Ah! So this one looks like, guys, as you can see, that looks like you can put this you can stick this in the ground. And this one in here, that's the solar. Yeah, this one is the power button. It says on and off. So you should try this one, okay? We need to go to and oh, so that's the sounds, guys, okay? So that's the sound. So we do it again. Yeah, so that's the sounds, guys. So this one is good for the rabbit, any kinds of wild animals. So they just go away if they hear this. So we got 8 in here. So let's see. This one. See. But if you got a lot of lights, guys, or sun, it lasts longer, this one. So let's do it. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. 4, 5. This one is in here. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yee! So I got 8, guys. And then this one is the guide in here. If you want to read it, they got English. Yeah, a lot of language, guys. So you can read that also. So guys, let's try all of it. Okay, so I'm going to try one by one if it's working or not. Okay, so let's do it. Sorry guys, I need to do voiceover. Okay, because they got sounds. Alright, so wait, I just do a picture guys. Okay, also we try one by one. So this one first, so let's try. Okay, so the other one naman guys. Okay, so this one is sounds. Okay, so next again, so let's try. So that's number 3. So that's the sounds guys. Okay, so number 4. So then let's go to number 5. So that's the sounds. Okay guys, then number 6. Then let's go number 7. Oh, it's not working. So let's bring this outside guys. Okay, so we will see because they got sun over there. So number 7 is not working, so let's go to number 8. Okay, that sounds good. So all 7 is working, but the other one is not. So we need to try those outside. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you the video outside, but before that I need to put this back, and some of it is not, just leave it inside the house. Okay, the one that it's not working guys, I need to bring those outside in my garden. So let's see, because they got sun, it's a good weather today. And also we try those if it's working or not. So that's the one that it's not working, but I'll show you later. And the rest guys, I just leave it inside the house. So I think it's time to go outside. Yeah, that looks like guys. Sorry about that, I need to voice over again. So let's go outside guys. All right, we bring those, the other one that is okay guys, so I'm here now outside. As you can, you heard it, the other one, but all of a sudden I got already, the other one is in here in my garden, as you can see over there. Yeah, because I got the garlic and some of the carrots, so that's why I put some of that. Okay, oh, you hear that? Yeah, that's the sounds guys. So let's go in my big garden. So I'm going to put this one only. The rest guys, I need to let's see in here. So this is what you need to do. Just remove the plastic. As you can see, you just remove the plastic. That one, I think that this one is the one that it's oh now. So they're both working now guys. Remember those, the other one that is not working, now it's working now because they need sun. So what you need to do is just put this in here in the ground like that. Like that. Put that in the ground. Yeah, just like that guys. So that's fine. So you just leave this on guys all night, all day. You just leave this on. Yeah, this one is a solar source, as you can see, that one. it's solar, so you just leave this one. Okay, so that looks like, guys. If you really want to purchase that, guys, I need to put the link down below on my video, in my comment section. And this one is working already, this one is not working, right? So let's turn that on. As you can see, on and off. Did you see that? On and off. Yeah, you just turn this on the side. So now it's working. So I'm going to put this in my piece in here. I got the snap piece in here. As you can see, they're growing, and I don't want everybody to dig or eat some of it. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this over here, so they're afraid of it. Okay, right here, right here, because that one is fencing. You don't know that somebody, this is one I did also, guys. Just put some tent stick to that chicken wire, so if they dig it, it's not totally. Okay, so that one is fine now. Yeah, see. So if somebody or rabbit or groundhog or mulch or squirrel, they're afraid of this one, guys. Okay, so this one is totally working for me. I used this for 2 years, I think 2 years ago. I bought two, and this one is working. So I said to my husband that can you buy me this again, because this one is working in my garden. So I need to recommended to the gardeners. Recommend. Yeah, I need to recommend this to the gardeners, guys. So that looks like now. Okay, so I think, guys, that's it for today. And I'm going to plant my potatoes today in the ground, and some of the beans, the onion, and more guys. So thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye.